Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Today I'd like to start our video with a discussion on the bull run in Ethereum, and there are a couple of undeniable signs and reasons to claim that we're in a major bull run in Ethereum. First of all, what is interesting to observe is that researchers from Messari point out that correlation with Bitcoin has turned negative on the daily chart, which is something quite new, potentially marking a new phase in Ethereum. In addition to that, the action on the Ethereum ecosystem is very strong, with the total value locked in the decentralized finance space exceeding 1 billion, and it's expected that just the Ethereum network alone will exceed 1 billion in total value locked in the near term. In addition to that, some market commentators observe that whenever you hear yourself saying things like, I sold some way too early, or I could have been a millionaire if I only invested a certain amount, indicates that we're in a very, very heated bull market. Finally, institutional acceptance is growing, giving us further hope and support for the strength of that rally. Interestingly, we have observed some correction in Bitcoin, explaining the negative correlation between Bitcoin and Ethereum. But analysis from Glassnode indicates that basically it was new, fresh holders that were doing the panic selling, and long-term holders are still keeping their positions. And even though some of the addresses with non-zero balance has fallen down, we're still observing a lot of money being withdrawn from exchanges into cold storage, giving strong support for Bitcoin and a potential for future strong rally upwards. Finally, Ripple reported double the XRP sales in Q1 2021 compared to the previous quarter, suggesting upcoming strength in the XRP token price. So let's take a look at the charts and see how you can trade some of these insights. For Bitcoin, the critical pivotal point is 55,500. Above that, you can buy Bitcoin with targets at 56,500 and then 57,600. Conversely, below 55,500, selling Bitcoin with the nearest target at 55,000. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is well supported at 3,425. So this is what I'm using as my pivot point for initiating long positions. Above that level, I'm looking to buy Ethereum with targets at 3,520 and 3,600. Conversely, below 3,425, I'm looking to sell Ethereum with the first target at 3,370, and then further down to 3,285. This is purely based on horizontal support and resistance lines. For the time being, I don't see us exceeding the all-time high around 3,600 anytime soon. So let's move to Ripple now. The pivotal point for Ripple is 1.563, and above that level, we can have very good opportunity to buy Ripple with targets at 1.643 and 1.7. Conversely, if we break below 1.563, selling Ripple with targets at 1.5 and 1.435. Now let's take a look at Ethereum Classic, which has been one of the best performers of the last few days. The pivot point for Ethereum Classic sits at 130, and above that level, I recommend buying Ethereum Classic with targets at 140, 150, and 160. Conversely, below 130, we could see further declines, and we have very strong support at 120, which can be your take profit target for short positions. And finally, let's take a look at Qtum, another strong performer. For Qtum, the pivot point and the strong support is at 30.25. As long as we're above that level, I'm seeing good opportunities to buy Qtum with targets at 33 and 35. Conversely, if we break below 30.25, selling Qtum with targets 29 and 27.5. As always, keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insights subsection. Remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining us today. Trade wisely and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.